Have a look, guys. What I'm showing here. Just look. This is a very little tiny papaya trees. So tiny that planted my wife and sister-in-law. There is 4 tiny papaya trees are planted. So this is the leaf of the trees. You can say plant because it's so tiny. So it's maybe flat, not trees. Have a look. And this is the branch of the plant. And this is called trunk. And this is the timber. Timber means আমরা বাংলায় এটাকে বলি হচ্ছে গাছের একদম কুড়িকে বলি, একদম উপরের যে নরম অংশটা সেটাকে timber বলা হয়. So that's it for today's. Bye bye.